Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today is Thirsty Thursday, and I know we haven't been making drinks the last couple of weeks. We've just been making gifts. But today we're going to make a gift that you can drink it. You can use it to make a drink, and you can also give it a gift. It's good for a lot of different things. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food and fun, my name is Sherry. I love those same things. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So today we're going to be making a strawberry vinegar. And the first thing we need to do is extract all the juicy goodness from these berries. So I have got 2 cups of berries that I went ahead and washed, I chopped, and then I've got 2 cups of vinegar also. So white wine vinegar, I'm just going to pour over the top of my strawberries. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some saran wrap. We're going to let that sit for about an hour. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and grab a burner and a saucepan. Okay, so I have got my burner on and I grabbed a saucepan. I also put my strawberries and vinegar in my little batter bowl here because it has a spout. That's what it's called. Spout and a handle. So it made it much easier for me. So I'm going to put all that in there. I'm going to turn my handle so I don't knock this on the floor. Make sure this is up on high. So I'm going to put it on high and I'm going to bring it up to a boil. And then we're going to put a lid on this and we are going to turn the heat down to about medium low, and we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think our 10 minutes is up. I'm going to push this out of the way very carefully. And then the next thing I want to do is transfer this back into, actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to set this aside and let it cool, because we need to run it through our mesh here so we can strain it, but I want to wait till it's cooled off a little bit. So I'm going to leave it just right there for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think this is cooled enough that we can try to pour it in here and hopefully not burn ourselves or burn myself. All right, I didn't do too bad of a job. So we're going to pull this out of here. I'm just going to transfer this back into the pot and then we will deal with that later. Okay, so here's what I got for my packaging. Look at this little guy. Isn't he so cute, this little snowman? He just fits on here perfect, doesn't he? And then I got the bottle at the Dollar Tree. Usually this time of year, they have all kinds of like glass containers and all different kinds of stuff. And you know, they had 3 of these and that was it. They didn't have anything else. No little spice jars or anything. So this has a spout and a handle, but look how little this opening is. And I do not have a funnel. So wish me luck. Well, I'm not doing too bad, but this may take a while. Whoa, I did so good until the very end. Let's put this over here. Okay, let's wipe it down just a little bit. Man, it smells good. It's funny because my son just walked through here and he said, "What stinks?" I didn't know what he was smelling. I said, "Is it potpourri?" He said, "No." And then it dawned on me. I said, "You're smelling vinegar," which I usually don't like the smell of vinegar that much either. When I was little, I really hated it. So much so that I didn't eat any salad dressing. Now I don't mind it as much, but mixed with the strawberry, I think it smells pretty good. So I'm not going to taste it, but isn't this cute though? We probably need a little gift tag or something on here, but. So what can you do with the strawberry vinegar? Well, it's great on its own. You can dress collard greens or mustard greens. You can also mix it with a bit of half and half, a little bit of sugar and some mayonnaise and a little bit of poppy seeds, and you'll have not a raspberry, but a strawberry poppy seed dressing that is really, really good. You can also make a drink out of it. I think it's called a shrub, and you mix it with simple syrup. If you don't have that, you can do sugar. And I think you just pour it over ice and top it with club soda. But that's a mocktail, so you've probably got to put some vodka in it or something, and then it would be a cocktail. Speaking of drinks, we're not making a drink today, but tomorrow, we're not making a drink tomorrow either. But we're doing something for the guys tomorrow. We're going to do something with some beer, I think. So stay tuned for that. I thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.